everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I gotta think of a different way to say hello. I always say the same thing. Is that bad? I don't know if that's bad. Let's get this one open. Got another unboxing. Some China mail. I think those are the two most exciting words in the English language. Is China mail. Just never know what's gonna come. This is wrapped in one of those bubble tubes, which almost always means that whatever's arriving is going to be in pretty good shape. Not always, but that's pretty thick all the way around. Does a good job. I'm happy that they're trying. As most of you who have received a diamond painting in the mail that is folded and creased and then folded again knows, that is a pretty annoying thing. Okay, I've got the canvas, the tools, and the drills. Very exciting. I got a standard tool set. It's a green boat, some bags, pink wax, tweezers, and a single placer pen with a 3-tip, which is nice. Every time I see tweezers, I think, oh, it's got to be a square. And this is a square. Oops, surprise, surprise, it's a floral. I just can't resist them. Somebody stop me. I just never get tired of them. I never get tired of flowers. Who gets tired of flowers? That's for the comments section. Do you get tired of flowers? It was wrapped so tightly around a foam core, it doesn't want to unwrap. I can see that it is a 40 by 30. I'm hoping full drills, and it's a square. Let's get some of this tape off of here so we can see the quality. Wow, that's a big piece of tape on there. Oh, and it's all across the canvas. Oh, I snagged the tools. Oh, it's funny. Come on. Now when I've unrolled it, I've made some pretty big creases. So let's see. If you're new to diamond painting, all I can say is watch a bunch of videos, buy a kit, buy a cheap one for the first time. Try it out, see how you like it, and have fun. Because I haven't met anybody yet who doesn't like it. There's some people who say, I'm not good at that. And that's fine. If you don't like it, that sort of thing, you're not a crafty person, don't do it. And then other people say, I don't think so, and they try it and they're like, oh my gosh, it's the best. Now, this is, again, a 40 by 30 full drill. And I don't know, it's nice. It's got some shading in there. Not a lot. I think maybe this could have been a bit bigger to get all of this flower detail. I can't speak in there. But this is the size I've been going with because I think it's a pretty good indicator of a company. how well they do on a 40 by 40 or 40 by 30, anything 30 centimeters and up. Very nice. Let me show you again the detail, because I just realized I peeled that off and did not show it to you. How rude. So it's a pretty floral in a vase. Let me get up close so you can see the detail. Definitely a square. It's got those lines around each little box. And the symbols are very clear, even the ones that have a really dark background. So that makes me happy. It's a lot of different colors, so I'm anxious to do this one. I love when they have a lot of colors. Counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 30. 30 colors. That's nice. I like it. So, let me open up the drills. We'll see how they look. I've been very lucky lately. I have not gotten any oily drills. But I also noticed there's the image right there. And I'll put it up for you so you can see it up close. But yeah, I haven't gotten a lot of oily drills lately, and I noticed for a while they were all of one manufacturer, and either people are stopping using that manufacturer, or I'm just not getting any kits with that one. But you know, maybe the companies are catching on. Alright, let me do a quick inventory. Okay, everything's there. I didn't show you the colors. This bag, I like that lavender. This bag has a lot of very dark, deep, rich colors. It's like a mauve and some dark browns. And then it had a couple small bags of really beautiful colors. I saw a really bright pink. This is kind of dark maroonish. Pinks and purples. Not a lot, but enough. I think that's a pretty color. So, you know, I don't like all of my diamond paintings to have bright neon colors. That's just not how art is. You can have just as much fun with these beautiful, rich colors. Not everything has to be like a cartoon. And I really like the way they do the shading, so that you think, why am I putting black in here? And then when you step back and you look at it, it doesn't look black. It looks like you just made your pink into a dark pink. And that's the way diamond painting goes. We are made up of many colors. So that is the end. If you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe. Come join us on our Facebook group. We're getting almost to 200 people now. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it's gonna grow and grow. and we're having a lot of fun and sharing pictures. And thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate everyone's love and support. And you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.